Hi friends, Sunil here. So right now we are going to discuss about the remaining tags that we are not discussed in the part 2 video of form. In part 2 video of form we discussed we done the practical on field list, legend and output. So remaining data list and option group we will do in a form. Midterm progress we will do in within the form or not. So it's different states. I just included to show you that HTML5 has these more features which is not available in HTML 4.0, so that's why I included here. So we will done this practical. So let's go on our text editor and we will do this practical. So here I am on my text editor. So right now I am going to uh, write a code about the data list. So why we want to use data list? So many search boxes. You Whenever you clicked here, so you will get the suggestions like the so many suggestions that we want to search. So data list is used for this purpose. So how we can do this? Let's start. So HTML, then we have head, title. Here title is I get the title here, part 3 form. So I close my title here, I close my head here, I start my body here, I close my body here, and then I close my HTML here, body. So we are going to add form, then I close my form here. So okay, we are going to type our data list. So I gave the ID here, I give the ID search, I close my data list here. So it is a closing tag of data list here. I have to add option here. So my first option, and I add value, my first option value. I suppose I'm going to type search countries. So I add India, or I have to link my country the country data list to my input, so I can use this. You can use it anyway. So this is my own example. So option, I start second option value, then I use Australia here. So I will paste it, copy and paste it, so I can save my time as well as I can use my code. Then we have Nepal, we have England. Sorry for that, I am using short lowercase. Then we have Germany, we have Spain and France. You can add anything, Spain, and I want to add France here. So my data list is complete. I want to add here input. So my input is list. So which list I want to display is search. So input, right now I'm going to use list attribute. It's search. I close it here. I'm going to save, and you will get the suggestions that you wrote in your data list. So control S for save. In text on HTML location, so I give the name part 3 form.html. So saved it here, and I go to my folder. So what is my folder name? Part 3rd. So part 3rd form. I open with Mozilla. So not now. So whenever I clicked here, you will see I get the suggestions. Australia. If I cut it here, so I will get the all suggestions. Spain, Germany. So this is for we use data list. We link our data list to any text box. This is your choice what you want to do. So you have to use list attributes and you can do this. We can add our search button here if you want to add, but I didn't use this. There is no form for that, so you can do this. And our second one is progress, and then we have a meter. So we are to use these use these elements. So I'm going to use these elements within the form. You can use without the form, this is your choice. I'm going to use meter. So meter here, so I give the name empty. So I want to use some attributes low. So you have to specify where you have to mention the low. Below the low, less than the low value, you will be show the line, the meter line will be shown in the red color, and above the your low value it will show you orange color. Above the high it will show you green. So in meter we have 3 type of colors, so I will show you in the practical after the save this file. So after 25% it will show, below 25% it will show our red, and we have a high. After 75% it will show our green color. So minimum value is 1, maximum value is 100. So I close my meter here. That's all. We saved our file. We go back our browser, refresh it, and we get the meter here. I done something wrong. Why my meter is not? The wrong thing is that I didn't use value. What is the actual value of this meter? My meter right now contain 45 value. So my meter contain 45 value. So above the low it will show our green. If I wrote 22 here, saved it, it will show me red color, sorry, orange color. Maybe something is going wrong. Above 75, I saved it here, it will show green. So below 25 it's orange, above 25 it show you green, and 75 it show you green. Minimum 1, max 100. So this is meter. I will also show in another browser. Some feature is not working in Mozilla Firefox, and some feature is working just Google Chrome. So you should switch from one browser to another browser to find out it's working right or wrong. So I will maximize it. It shows green. I use 22. It's orange. If I use less than 22, then what it shows? Greater than 22. Saved it. No, it's not working, so it's fine. So again I'm going to use progress bar. So how we can use our progress bar here? Same as progress, Then we have to give name prog. Again it has a minimum value, again 1, max value it will take 100. Then my progress bar value should be 75%. I close my progress bar here. I save the file here. I refresh it. You will see my progress bar here. So this is my meter bar and this is my progress bar. So I show you this because I wanted that I will show you what the HTML5 awesome features contain, which is not available in HTML 4.0. So it's great feature. Again we will go back our browser and the remaining things we will use it. So remaining is option group. So why not I will use break option here, also here, also here. I use in wrong place, break here, and right now I'm going to use option group. So you have a drop down list, but right now I'm going to sectionalize that drop down list. For example, we have different sections. So according to that I'm going to use this. So we have fruits, then we have vegetables, or for example we have some defense forces jobs and we have some civilian jobs. Likewise you can also use this. So I again use select, then name is equal to job. I close my select here, and I'm going to create option group here, give label. So I want that it will show me label here, sectionalized. So my label is defense forces job. So here I want to use spaces, so I have to use double quotes here to show all the text as a single object. So I will close my option group here. So many options I have to add one by one. So a value I can give army, so I have to write here army. I close my option here. So we will done this select option of pull down drop down list we done in first form video. So if you're not able to aware to that, so you have to please visit and watch my first form video. Then we use navy and navy. I close my option here. So one more option group I am going to use. So I copy this, I paste it here. So again this defense job, add civilian jobs, jobs. So here civil engineer. So I gave a short name. So here I want to use short form. If I am going to use like that, so then I have to use civil. So if you're using two words, so you have to use double quotes. Then I'm going to use add. Then teacher is also a job, teacher. So I will add here teacher. I saved it here. We will see. Go to my form, I refresh it here, so it will come down here. So you can see here is a section, and here is also a section civilian jobs, civil engineer and teacher. We will use in our form. I also created a last video in which I will create a full-fledged form, so that will become a very big video. So if you watch this, so definitely you will get the help in your projects. So I will create it. So maybe you like this video, so I will show you three four elements. First one is a data list that will give you a suggestions. Another, then meter, then we have a progress bar, last is a option group. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in next video. We'll meet in next video. Okay, bye bye.